Hello friends, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to tell you a simple and easy method to create a Gantt chart in Excel. So watch this video till end to learn how to create a Gantt chart in Excel. Okay, let's start our video. For example, I have this data and I want to create a Gantt chart according to this. So go to insert and choose a graph. Then right click and select data. Go to add serial name, choose the start date from here, select this and delete this, and select all the entries from start date. Click OK. Again go to add. Now choose duration, select and delete the value and choose the values from duration. Click OK. Now go to edit and select the values and click OK. Okay, you can resize the graph. Now if you look, you will see that there is a reverse order in our tasks. So to adjust this, select and go to format axis. Now select a categories in reverse order and you will see that your tasks will be in a correct order. Close this. Now right click here and go to format data series. From the fill option, select no fill. Close this. Now if you look at the chart, this bar is in the middle of the chart, so we want this in the beginning of the chart. For this, go to dates, and when you will click on this, you need a minimum value here. So for minimum value, copy the first date and paste it anywhere to create a number. Paste it and form a number. So copy this number and go again to the dates and paste it here. Enter, and you will see the changes. So you can resize the chart. Double click on the chart and you can choose any template from here, from quick layout. For example, I am going to choose this one, layout 7, and you can see that this is a very simple method to create a Gantt chart in Excel. Hope you enjoy this video, and if this video was helpful to you, then like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.